So your computer isn't capable of running cycles, but that other rendering engine they call EEVEE looks awful, so that's why you clicked on this video. So before going over the settings, we'll have to quickly set up a test scene. So let's begin with removing the default cube, then adding a sphere and a flat plane so that we can properly show the improvements. After making the sphere reflective, you may notice that the reflection doesn't look right. This can be easily fixed by turning on the screen space reflections setting, which makes it look much better. On to the next setting, which is bloom. This setting may not change much in certain scenes, but bloom usually improves scenes by a great amount. Next on the list would be ambient occlusion, which is great for complex models, but might not be noticeable for most scenes. Before we continue to improving volume metrics, let's increase the contrast for a slightly nicer look. High contrast just makes the scene look sharper, which may look better depending on what kind of scene you're trying to render. You may have noticed that rendering volumetrics in EEVEE is not ideal. To improve the look of that, simply decrease the volumetrics tile size, then increase the samples and turn on volumetric shadows. Now you should see an improvement in volumetrics, which can look even better by tweaking the density and increasing black body intensity. If you're rendering fire, or just trying to render high-quality smoke simulations, simply increase the resolution subdivision and spend some extra seconds waiting for it to bake. Congratulations, you have created a good-looking EEVEE render. Here is a comparison of EEVEE without these improvements, and then EEVEE with these improvements, which if you're not blind, you can clearly see that there's a huge difference in how these two images look. So that's about all I know about making EEVEE look decent. If you have any issues with this tutorial, please comment and I'll try to answer. Thanks for watching.